Can you watch ads for money? It might surprise you to find that there is a whole internet community centered around getting paid to watch advertisements. Some people even purchase additional phones and laptops so they can simultaneously show advertisements on various gadgets. But you don't have to be that dedicated to watch ads to earn $2 each minute, and that is $10 every 5 minutes. You may occasionally make a little more cash or receive a free gift card by watching advertising on your phone or computer in your free time. Sounds ideal, right? It is! Now, hello and welcome to the Money Hustle, where earning should never be troubling. On this channel, we offer the most recent strategies for making money online. Make sure to subscribe to this channel. You may start making things happen by setting up a notification bell so that you are informed anytime we release a new video on how to make money online. Please give this video a thumbs up as well. If you have any questions, comments, or other feedback regarding the video, don't be afraid to post them below. In some circumstances, you can even carry out this activity while working if you allow the videos to run in the background. There are a ton of time-wasting and scammy websites out there because of this fantastic possibility. But today, we'd want to look at one that has a ton of daily deals, no country restrictions, and speedy withdrawals via PayPal or bank transfers. Having said that, let me walk you through exactly how to make $2 a minute by watching ads. However, first, please pay great attention to what I say today. I don't want you to miss anything important about what is essentially a free approach for making $2 per minute by watching ads. For starters, you can play games here. If you like, you can also write and finish surveys on particular topics. Additionally, online buying offers cashbacks and promotions. Watching video commercials is another option. The greatest strategy for beginners, in my opinion, however, keep in mind that I'll be giving you some pointers later in this video. Let's now visit the homepage. Any device like that, such as your desktop, mobile phone, or tablet, can be used for this. With no financial outlay necessary, I am confident that this works in every country on the planet. When you arrive at this website's homepage, you are greeted by links to their mobile app on the App Store or Play Store. This website's name is Paidwork. It is accessible at paidwork.com. When we scroll down, we can see that paid labor is promoted as the ideal method for converting your valuable time into cash. Benefits like a solution-based, no flexibility allow people all around the world to work for pay, either full or part-time. You can start earning $2 per minute by watching commercials on this platform as long as you have an internet connection and a gadget. You once more have the option to choose exactly how you want to perform paid work, whether it be by playing games, completing surveys, watching videos, shopping online, or setting up accounts. People frequently look for jobs that pay $100 for each video you watch, which is the main reason why they might not seem to make much money with amazing sites like these. I can assure you that finding jobs like that is quite difficult. Instead, attempt to concentrate on accumulating a large fortune from the small $1 to $2 you would be making from each task, and you may expect to make up to $150 every month. Without paying any additional taxes or fees, this can be done. There is no cap on your earnings though. It is entirely up to you. Simply take out your phone, connect to a reliable internet source, log on to paidwork.com, and start earning $2 a minute by watching ads. If you're interested in learning more about how to earn money online by performing any of these jobs, click the tab at the top that reads How It Works. Then gently scroll down to see how to choose an earning technique, how to begin earning using your chosen way, and how to get paid by the admins. Are you still seeking more information on how it operates? By selecting the See More option and reading this page, have a look at the Resources tab. If you want to create a free account, all you have to do is click the blue register icon in the top right corner to be sent to this page where you can register. You may start by entering your email address and password or by signing in with an existing Google or Microsoft account. Click on the blue Next button after that. You would be directed to a website where you can enter your gender and first and last names. When you click register, your dashboard will appear. I'm going to sign in to my own account for Paidwork as I already have one. You could view all of your revenue on this platform on the dashboard up top. Given that you're just starting off, it can appear slightly different. But take a deep breath and keep in mind what I mentioned about starting small and letting the money accumulate. On top of your dashboard, this is where the cash will appear once you start bringing it in. So please choose Earn from the left-hand menu in the screen's menu bar right away. Here you can see the several ways I've already demonstrated to you in the video to earn money online through Paidwork. We have come here to click on the watch videos option because we are trying to figure out how to earn $2 per minute by watching advertising. You will be taken to this page here if you tap on the green earn button. One of the advertisements you'll see is one from Fiverr. Currently, Fiverr is a platform that gives mobile app developers some additional options for monetizing their work. Fiverr, also known as Digital Turbine as of recently, is typically a one-stop shop for user growth and revenue. Only iOS or Android mobile devices can use the monetization method for this strategy. Simply tap one of these icons to download the app to your phone and begin making money with Fiverr right away. As you can see, Paidwork has received over 5 million downloads overall from the Google Play Store. Clearly, 5 million users utilizing this software to make $2 every minute by viewing advertisements cannot be mistaken. We can also see that using Paidwork's mobile app will enable you to measure your income effectively. You can see the various methods to monetize the app from there as well. So it's not just a web-only function. On the app, you can instantly withdraw money without paying any fees. By monitoring your routine analytics, you can also have influence over your behavior. Additionally, you may invite your friends to use the platform to make money while also earning some money for yourself. So go ahead and register on this platform today to start making a lot of money. And that's it. I hope you learned a lot today. Thank you so much for watching The Money Hustle. If you have learned something from this video, then go ahead and show some support by commenting and clicking the like button. To make sure you never miss a video, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell beside it. That's all, and goodbye.